Ano?
Inuwi kitang pamilya. Tunay na kapatid.
Kapatid? Pamilya? Nagkampihan nga kayo eh! Tara na! Magsama-sama tayo! Wala mong pumatay! Pasulong ka! Shake what we want!
This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
Yes? Tinley, let's go.
Excuse me. Kuzuzang pula. Hello? Excuse me. Can I ask a favor from you, please?
Why am I not surprised?
Please. A little tiny small favor. Please.
What is it?
I need a ride. I will ride with you to the market.
Huh?
Ano po bang hairstyle ang gugupit niyo sa akin?
Ano pa? Edi yung signature cut mo? Barber's cut.
Eh kasi po, Tita Ellen, barber's cut na naman eh.